Would you eat a traditional mince pie? With dried fruits and warm festive spices encased in a rich pastry? Oh, and a pound of lean beef? Mincemeat is a thoroughly medieval invention. Think about a beef tagine served in pastry on the tables of the high and mighty. In the Victorian era, the pie became more accessible, with street pie vendors and of course recipes from the myriad of newspapers and magazines of the time. A pound of beef suet and a pound of lean beef, along with raisins, currants, apples, sugar, spices and brandy. This newspaper goes on to detail recipes of the era, with a curious note: vegetarian mincemeat is usually made when wanted. You see, the mincemeat we eat now is just that, a vegetarian version of the classic. Health-conscious habits of the late Victorians and the evolving sweet v savoury palate saw the original meaty version take a backseat, but mincemeat was not done evolving. Rationing after World War II didn't end until the 50s, and with suet and fats being a scarcity, a new kind of mincemeat was needed. Fatless mincemeat, without suet or brandy, but with the addition of things like dates, candied peel, nuts, demerara sugar, lemon and almond essence. Every generation of Christmas cook has brought mincemeat with them, by meeting the challenges of the day and leaving behind new recipes for the next generation.